Hey guys, welcome back to Camp. Today we made up a new challenge.
And this challenge involves a big tarp with as a slipping slide. Right now we have some baby oil to make it really slippery, and we got some water to make it even more slipperier.
My job is to spray Jemima in the face, right?
No, Kendra, you have to spray the tarp
I
with
thought
water.
we were supposed to spray your face.
No, Kendra. What I do, you spray it, and then I put the baby oil on, which makes it extra slipperier.
Okay, so we spray your face.
No, Kendra. Can we do it to you?
Now, time to go! Spray! Ready?
Yes.
Go!
Kendra?
Mean it! You have no fun in purpose! No. That's fun. Spray the tarp. Cold freeze!
These are the rules for this challenge. We have to run from the beginning all the way to the end, and then we have to run really fast to this box, which has a spicy food and a sweet food. The challenge is sweet and spicy food, and whoever gets here first picks up the sweet spoon. Whoever gets here last will definitely be Kendra because I'm faster. She will have to eat sardines. Spicy sardines.
Do you want to see my frog? Rabbit. Okay.
That reminds me.
What?
Over there, I just saw a baby toad not too long ago. Ready, Kendra?
I'm ready. Yeah! So much for your luck, sunny boy.
Also, we forgot to say whoever loses all 3 rounds, or 2 out of 3, has to have every gross food, spicy food, and eat it all in one bite.
Yeah.
It smells so bad.
It smells so good and delicious. You like it? Gotta eat it. Same with that little piece.
It's so spicy.
Eat that little piece, come on. Cough.
I've never tried this.
Second round, chili, Thai, tuna, rouse, and chocolate syrup.
I like tuna though, Ken. If I lose this one, it's gonna be fine because my mouth is already on fire.
Okay. No, Jay. I beat it again. 3, 2, 1. So good.
This is really good. It's not even spicy at all. Round number 3. Chipotle peppers or a really good chocolate donut. I have to win this so I don't have to eat.
I'm strong and mighty.
So I don't have to eat chili peppers again.
On your mark. What is my luck? Go.
It's a little spicy.
Haha, I won all 3.
My mouth is on fire right now. Go. Never tried that. Milk. It's a milk that cools down your mouth from eating.
You want to say milk? You get the spray milk. Thank you very much.
Bro, I have so much water in this one ear right here.
Jeremiah. What's that? Not that.
His chore list.
Jay! Jay! Why are you sneaking away from your chores?
What?
Your chores! To eat all the spicy things.
You want to try some?
No.
Also, no rule. The person who gets all the good food tries it too.
Fine, but I only can try one. This one.
Nope. Chili peppers first. No, this. No. Because it's the only one you get to eat.
No, I can just. This is good.
Wait until it kicks in. Where do you think you're going? Oh god, mosquitoes are bad.
Jay? How would you like
A chocolate donut. My pleasure.
some of this? Would you want some? Open wide!
Scared
You have to open wide.
I knew this was gonna happen. So guys, my sister's walking late, so I'm gonna have some whipped cream dipped in her face. Mm.
More water!
Talk about pie face. This is better. No enjoyment.
Run!
I got her. These peppers are kidding me. Nothing good. I saw her shout.
Doesn't work out. What are you talking about?
So this totally went in the opposite wrong way. This is supposed to be a friendly competition, but it turned into a whipped cream fight. So guys, thanks so much for watching this video. See, we hope your parents will actually let you do this video.
I'm a mess. That time! Come on, join me!
Oh good. There's dead crickets.
Huh?
There's dead crickets. There's like one. Hey, you should not. Here. There's a dead cricket.
If you thought this video was crazy, hit the like and subscribe button.
Actually, smash that subscribe button and the like button. You're lucky. Don't you hate when you're like in the water, you try to grab someone and it's so slippery? One more slide, guys.
Frog toad.
Oh, that actually hurt.